local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. Temperatures today pretty close to the norm. We were in the mid-30s and mid-20s for the daytime high and overnight low. 64 the record high and -4 is your record low. Other than some snow flurries across the area, we really haven't had any precipitation so far today. Sunrise sunset tomorrow, we're starting to slowly gain. Remember, we bottomed out right before Christmas at 9 hours and 23 minutes. We've gained 3 minutes now for tomorrow at 9:26. And the River Station Terre Haute 4.7. That's going to shoot up, though, with rain and probably quite a bit of it on the way between now and the start of the weekend. 35 at the airport in Terre Haute. Winds are east-southeast at 9, so there is a wind to chill. Feels like 28. Pressure is dropping now as our storm system is nearing the area. Temperatures are pretty much in the mid-30s. Not going to drop much. May even start to rise later on tonight. The storm is, we talked about this, is a two-part system. The first one is coming in already with snow northwest of here. The main storm is way down here. That'll be impacting us as we head into Friday. So the first one comes tomorrow. We get a break on Thursday. The second one comes on Friday. Mostly rain, but there could be a little mix at times. But it's mostly rain for us. Northwest of here, you can see the snow has been developing locally. We talked about this yesterday. As that warmer air starts to move in, we couldn't rule out a brief period of a little bit of a wintry mix. It would be minor, but you can see that showing up there on our radar. And here's the Dorset Automotive Doppler radar. Same thing, a few snow flurries, maybe a little bit of a mix out here, and then it will warm up to just a few raindrops. Nothing big out of that, but don't be surprised. You might see just a bit of a light wintry mix briefly this evening. Here's what it looks like on the future radar. As we get into the overnight, mostly dry till early tomorrow morning. We start to see the rain move in, so we stop this around 7 a.m. Eastern. Rain probably across at least the northwestern half of the area. It takes over the region during the day tomorrow. On the back edge of this, as colder air starts to filter in, we may get a brief transition. You see here along and south of I-70 there around 10 p.m. And then the same thing as you get into the southern counties. But a little more likely in the southern counties, we'll get a bit of a wintry mix. And then this all pushes out of the area by early on Thursday morning. How about snowfall? Not a big deal. On the backside of that, a bit of a wintry mix, but it would be very minor. So see, we're not really showing anything as far as snowfall in the area. Rain is going to be the bigger story. Here's rainfall. Now remember, this is a two-part system. This is part one. And we're looking at probably 3/4 of an inch to an inch. That's the first half of the storm. The second half will come on Friday. The wind, it'll pick up from the south tomorrow, but then by tomorrow evening, see how the wind changes direction? That's the cold front moving in. Will dry out and cool off on Thursday before the next storm comes in on Friday. So here we are. This is now 7 p.m. Thursday. We should be dry. By Friday morning, here comes the main storm. Rain moves back into the area, mostly rain for us, dries out by Friday night. On the backside of this, we could get just a bit of a wintry mix in here Saturday night. That looks minor. And then behind that, Sunday into Monday and Tuesday looks to be pretty dry. And temperatures actually start to warm back up again as we head into next week. On this map, the blue indicates the cooler air. The really cold air stays to the north. So we see some chilly temperatures, but it's not anything terrible. Temperatures overall, though, are going to be fairly nice for this time of the year. And when we look longer term now, this is the 8 to 14-day outlook. This is now Jan 6 to Jan 12. Much of the country, especially in this part of the country, forecasting above normal temperatures. So again, as we start out in January, not looking so bad on those temps. For tonight, mostly cloudy, a slight chance of rain towards daybreak. This evening, there could be just a brief period of light wintry mix, but nothing major. 33, and temperatures will rise after that. Then tomorrow, 50 for the high, but rain is likely during the day tomorrow. After that, we catch a break most of the day Thursday. Rain moves back into the areas. We head into the day coming up on Friday. And then you see what we got, a bit of a wintry mix Saturday, but temperatures back in the mid-40s by early next week. That is a wrap on the forecast. Time now to head to Grant.
Hey, thanks.